Guys, welcome back to Life Week Community. Today we're looking at fireworks. My brother picked up a toad. I was like, no. Okay. No. He picked up a freaking toad. Like there was one in my house here. We're all the way out here. No, you got to pee in your hand. He's jumping away. He's jumping away.
I took a video of you and the toad, so we don't need to take any more pictures.
10% going to post videos of him. What's it called? Not necessarily messing with, but holding it. There's so many fireworks. You guys couldn't see this, but I'm so excited. Today is the 4th of July, as most of you guys know, and we have an amazing 4th of July this year, every year, today, tomorrow, forever. Love you guys. Bye.